On February 7 of last year, 2023, Microsoft made a huge announcement. It brought to the world Microsoft Copilot. When the first video was released, it got a lot of jaws to drop. The way we interact with Word, Excel, PowerPoint is meant to change forever. In a good way. Many people started thinking about how AI infused into these applications can actually help them save time, boost their productivity, and even get their job done faster. In order to really bring this into perspective, we're going to start a series of short demos in order to uncover for you what Copilot can do through various applications that you're used to in your day-to-day life. So first, let's start by explaining what does Copilot actually do. Copilot is an AI assistant built on Microsoft's Azure OpenAI services that helps you create an output from an input prompt that you put in an app such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. It's also now extending into the Microsoft browser Edge and also the desktop in Windows. What Copilot will do, it will process that input that you will provide to it, usually through text, and then it will generate an output based on a request that you have in mind. So think about a very simple ask. If I want to create an essay, as I will show you in the next demo, about a certain topic, Copilot can help you do that in a split second. Copilot is your AI assistant to get things done. To use Copilot, you will need, for the time being, a Microsoft 365 Enterprise subscription, which your job might already have, or your employer. And third of all, it was made generally available on November 1st, 2023. Now let's jump into the demo of how we can convert an essay that's generated by Copilot to a PowerPoint presentation in a few minutes. As you can see, I opened Microsoft Word and I clicked on the Copilot icon, either on the top right or just in the Word document in front of you. And I started drafting a prompt about a short essay talking about the history of Microsoft, where I will be focusing specifically on certain aspects of that essay, which I want the AI agent to focus on when generating the output. Purposely looking at factors such as the year it was founded, the city it was founded, biggest creations, and also the current market position that it is in. As you can see, it takes a few minutes to pull things together, a few seconds actually, and then it starts drafting the essay that I've asked for. You can see that the titles of the topics that I wanted to identify are highlighted as headlines, and then the content falls smoothly below it. After the essay is drafted, I'm going to go ahead and save it to my OneDrive for Business. This is a very important step for us to be able to complete the conversion from Word to PowerPoint. After successfully saving the document, I'm going to go to PowerPoint, click on the Copilot button on the top right-hand side of the screen, and then I'm going to go and ask Copilot to create a presentation from File. Now, as you can see, you will get some suggestions over there from your OneDrive for Business. If you don't see your file, there's a workaround for that. Just go back to the Word document that you just saved, open it, and then when you have it open, just click on the Share button on the top right hand of the screen and copy the link. As soon as your link is generated, you can go ahead and paste this back into PowerPoint after you put the Create Presentation from File prompt, and then give it a few seconds to load. You can start seeing that it already started pulling things together. It's drafting the presentation, and very shortly you'll see the progress bar on how much long it's going to take for the PowerPoint to be completed. In the meantime, you can see that the outline of the presentation is being generated as well. for the user to verify it and validate it before the presentation gets generated. In a few seconds, it will go from 75% to 100%, and there you have it. The PowerPoint slides have been generated. To be honest with you, it's still a basic layout of a PowerPoint presentation. Don't expect a lot of fancy things to be there, but at least you can see the agenda, overview slide. Even if you go into the next slide, which covers the founders, there's a picture that was put there for a computer, since we're talking about Microsoft over here. And then the rest of the slides follow, covering the other topics that I specified in my prompt in the Word document. So there you have it. What do you guys think of Copilot? Is it truly going to revolutionize the way we work? We would love to hear about your comments and thoughts. Just drop them down below. And until then, see you in the next demo and see you next time.